So let's take a moment to breathe in, to fully allow ourselves this time in meditation, to look at our investments, to be aware of how we're investing our time, our energy, our emotion. Where is it that we might want to rearrange, make adjustments? Where is it that we may be more intentional? Can I open myself up so much that I am listening, noticing? Inhaling and exhaling into full compassion. I become aware of my energy and my time. I become aware of my investments. I acknowledge the time when I am cycling and recycling, and I'm committed to being more aware, to having my needs met mindfully. Here I am, willing and open, knowing that what I invest in grows. Where my attention goes, life grows. So little by little, I make adjustments as I become aware. Sweet Spirit in me, through me, as me. Be the eyes that see, the ears that hear, the heart that feels. Quicken within me the power of awareness. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know they are born blessed and here to be a blessing. May all beings know God as love and emanations of that love as the source of who we are. We dedicate this service and this time, this practice, to Tyree, his mother, victims of violence in our communities, in our world. As we take on the practice, may it be of benefit to all. May all beings awaken to the truth of the light within. Namaste.